Hello parents, hello kids, welcome to this video. This video is about our day-to-day activities which are maintaining in our home-based virtual learning. So I hope your kids are enjoying the naming activity which we gave in our last week. So in this video we are going to do another day-to-day activity, that is Einstein Library. So in this library your kids are going to collect various books and I'm going to explain one by one. So before that, parents, please don't think that these activities as activities. These are some of the things which can develop your kids' quality, and also it maintains them to keep their good habits. So these are very useful activities which you can do and which will also help your kids to grow. So in this Einstein library, what your kids are going to do is they are going to maintain a shelf in your home, like any shelf. Everybody will be having a shelf at your home. You can just give a small space for them to maintain those books, like they can arrange there and keep. So at this age, when you practice them to collect more books, it will be more helpful for them in the future. So it is not about collecting the books. You can also make them read those books. So the books, what you have to get them is whenever you go outside somewhere or birthday or any function, you can get them some picturized books, like not written books. There will be a kind of books for kids where it will be picturized. So each story will be picturized, which will be easy for them also to read or see. It will eager them. They will be so eager to read those books. So like that books you can buy and give them. And when they come to school, we have so much of books and we have separate day for doing that. And we give separate period for each class to read or see, to use our library. Since they are not coming to school, it is not possible for us. So to make it more easy and comfortable, we are giving to parents, they can maintain a compact library where they can collect few books and arrange that. So today's video, I am going to show how first book, they can make their own book. So it's an easy work where you need an A4 sheet like this and you can fold it into 4 parts, half and one more half. After that, you have to tear it into 4 pieces. When you tear it off, you will get like this. So 4 sheets you will get like this, and this one you can staple it off using stapler. So all the 3 sides you can staple it off. It is very easy. Like you can also maintain this at your shelf. It is very easy. If you don't have a shelf, you can also take a box. Like we'll share the link to you how to make a box library. You can also do that. Then after doing like this, you can take the crayon box or any color sketch pen, and you can, in the front you can write and give them, or you can also make them write my family. So they can write my family, and above this they can color, or they can write about this using sketch pens, or they can do anything they want. Here and all they can put some rounds. So this one is the first book. To make it more interesting, you can give lots of colors. So my family. In the second page, they can write myself or my name. My name. So your kids can write their name. So for example, I'll write my name. If possible, you can also stick their photo. So it will be more interesting for them to look each day. So my name I've written, and you can stick your kids photo. You can write your kid name and kids photo. Then my father. My father you can write, and you can stick the photo and write the father's name. Then my mother. You can write the name and stick the photo. Then if there is any brother or sister, my brother. If you have brother, you can write brother or sister. If you have sister, you can write sister. You can stick the photo and write their name. So likewise, you should maintain about my family, like my name is. After that, you can give colors about this, okay? you can highlight their name using sketch pens. You can tell them to do, then only it will make them very interesting to do this activity. So my name I've overwritten with a crayon, and you can paste the photo. Then my father name, you can write it with the sketch. My mother name you can write, and my brother or sister you can write this, and you can make them color this or decorate with stars or sketch pens like this. They have to do this one. So by doing this, the reasons why we tell the kids to do this, right? It will improve their maintenance, like to maintain the things properly, punctuality. It also develops punctuality, and also eager to read books. When they collect books, they'll be very much eager to read those books, and also importance of the things. They know how to maintain, how to keep them, and how to maintain it properly. So now I'll show you how to place this in a shelf, and to do that. So this is my shelf. In all your home you'll be having a shelf like this. From this you can give a small portion to your kids. So this shelf I'm going to maintain as my Einstein library. So here your kids can decorate, they can write, like you can write and give them Einstein library, and they can color and do some drawings over here. So it will be easy for them to identify, and also it will make them to read the books regularly. So this book I'm going to place it here, which I made it, My Family. I'll just place it over my Einstein library likewise. So like this you have to make, your kids have to make, like my hobbies they can make, my favorites they can make, or myself they can make. So likewise they can make the small books like this, and they can place it over here like this. Or else if this place is not there, you can also make up to if you don't have shelf like that, in some homes you'll be having showcase like this. There also you can tell your kids to place like this. Inside you can write that same Einstein library, and then they can arrange the books properly. Whichever books you buy and give them, or whichever they make, they can arrange it here. So this is all about the Einstein library. So now I'm going to show the interesting place of our Einstein kits. So we'll move on to that. So this is our Einstein library. So this is a collection of books which we have gotten for our kids. So this library consists of hundreds of books and various kinds and novels and stories and fairy tales. So we have from alphabetic from A till Z. So we have arranged in alphabetical order, A, B, C likewise, until A to Z. We have various kinds of books. So when your kids come to school, so they can take any books and they can read. So it's not just an activity, we are giving it every week. It is a practice which we make in our Einstein Kids, and we also make the kids to read books each Friday. So on every Friday we have a separate period for Einstein library. So each class will come and they have separate timings, and they'll come and they'll choose which book they want to read. So they can take any books, like here we kept a book like number they can take, or any book like fairy tales they have, coloring books they have, rhymes book they have. So they can take any books, and this area is for reading books. So you can see the area where kids will be reading books. So this area is that they'll take the book and they'll sit over here and they can read the books like this. So all the books are picturized one. So here in this library, every book is picturized one, which is user friendly for the kindergarten students. So this is a book of numbers 1 to 10. You can itself see how the book is. So like this only all the books will be. So till 10. All these books are like picture. They can count, they can identify, they can also learn easily. So this is a book of number 1 to 10. I'll show you some more books. And this is fairy tales, story books. These one are story books. This one also picturized one. By seeing this picture itself, your kids can identify that. So likewise, we have various kinds of books. These are rhymes book. We have rhymes book here, and we have crafting book here. See, they have small stories. See, by seeing the picture itself, your kids can identify, or they can learn something out of this. So that's why we prefer picturized story book. So this is all about our Einstein library. So I hope this video was an informative one, and likewise your kids should also make their own Einstein library, and you have to share the photos and video to us. Thank you.